Hi, my name is Orfelina Martinez, and the central issue this debate is of goods control in the United States. This is an important and serious issue. Many people are supporting and fulfilling the right of the Second Amendment. These people say that feel safer with this right, and the other person defend the idea that this should be carefully regulate. In the video, we can see the point of the Mr. Trump. He said that he's a strong defender of the Second Amendment, and he feels very proud to support the NRA, which is the main or more big group that defends the sale of the guns in the United States. We can see that Hillary say that although respect the Second Amendment, however, she defends the idea that it should be carefully regulated in order to avoid so many deaths from the use of the gun between the American people. But I disagree with Mr. Trump, because he defends the idea that the government should not put any type of control of the right of the Second Amendment, give it to have and use guns, and this more than giving the security to the people. Everybody know that this had led to big tragedies, such as the mass shooting. And I understand that Mr. Trump intends to protect the rights that the Americans have, but in my opinion is that not everyone should have guns. Mr. Michael Boylan said, "Guns possession by ordinary citizens in the world is a potential threat to public health." I agree with this word. Therefore, I disagree with Mr. Trump.